Today I want to talk about fireworks, specifically how to composite them over a rendered sequence using the shader node. Let's take a look at our source files. I've rendered an EXR sequence that includes the Normal and Cryptomatte render elements. We also have some stock footage of fireworks. We'll start by copying the EXR node and renaming it Normal. Then in the Format tab, we'll change the active render element from RGB to XYZ normals. With our normal pass ready, we can create a shader node that uses this normal information as input. What we're doing here is building a mask, areas where the light from the fireworks will brighten the scene. By adjusting the shader parameters, we can find a good balance. To light up the opposite side of the street, I'll copy the shader node and tweak the settings again. Next, we'll combine these two masks using a channel Boolean node. With the mask prepared, we can move on to a color corrector node. By switching its mode to match colors, we can feed it any reference image or sequence, and it will try to match those colors automatically. Now it's time to apply our mask. To make it work, we'll use a bitmap node with luminance enabled. You can now see how the facades are picking up the color and brightness from the fireworks footage. Before merging the CG render with the footage, we'll convert our linear EXR sequence into non-linear sRGB. Of course, we'll need a mask to place the fireworks behind the buildings. For this, we'll use Cryptomatte. To emphasize the luminance, I'm adding an X-Glow node, which you can install from Reactor. The final step is simple. In the Merge node, switch to Screen mode. And that's it. We're done. Thanks for your time.